Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and I just wanted to show you how to make one of these, I think it's called an Archimedes Trammel. I don't remember completely, but I think that's what it's called. And basically, it works like this. So basically, what it does is like, one moves here. Actually, I'll take this off. So you have this piece that basically moves back and forth, but it moves just in time for the next piece to move up, and then this piece goes down, and then this goes back up. And basically all it needs is a circular motion, and that's what makes it really cool, is that when you spin it in a circular motion, what happens is the same effect happens, and it's really cool. So I wanted to show you guys how to build that. So our first step is to basically make one of these. So it has four studs right here, and the 4 studs go out on each side. But basically you want to use 3x2s or 3x3s to basically arrange it to make this kind of platform, this cross platform. As you see, I didn't just put these flat pieces right on top. I put a layer of thin flat pieces under those so that you can have the elevation for later techniques. Okay, so now what we want to do is we basically just want to almost form a wall. And basically this wall is going to be 3 studs high, but then it's going to have a flat layer of studs over the entire thing. So we just want to arrange it so that it fits the right way. I'm just going to do that. Now the tricky part is that for these parts, you do not want to put a flat stud over these. So you're going to do a layer that goes out only 3 studs each side. And then you want to leave these open on each side. Also, you don't want to cover the back of these, because then it's not really going to work. So then what you want to do is you want to take these studs and stack them by 2, and then take a 3x1 and place it over those so you have the gap. And then you're going to want to place it over these stud pieces. You want to do that with every side. And basically this is just going to lock everything in place when it comes to the actual rotating mechanism. Now our next thing that we want to do is, this is where the Technic stuff comes in. So you want to put one of these pieces, and it has to be the tan one so that there's no friction, so it's a frictionless piece, and it's got a cross axle on one side and then the frictionless rotating piece on the other. Then you stick it into one of these, and then you take one of the shorter cross axles and you put it in halfway. Then take another one, put it there. And then what you want to do is you want to take a 7 stud Technic piece. Don't know exactly what it's called, but then what you want to do is you want to slip this into the center piece. And then our next step is to take one of these. So you can do it with either of these, which is 4 Technic pieces high. This one is 3, but it sticks into one of the holes. So for me, I would just put it in this way where the flat end is on this side, and then you face it upwards like that, and you take a guard and you put it right there. Try to allow spinning, and then with the other one you do the same thing. And these are actually 5 stud Technic pieces. So you want to do the same thing with the other one. And then you're going to want to place one right here. And then you're going to want to place one on this axis. So it's like this. So you have it in the shape of an X. And then the tricky part comes in. So you don't want to place these poles into this. You want to place it into one inward. So you take one and you put it inward by one. Same with the other one. You want to do that same thing, because that actually allows the spinning. And then once you're done, if you just spin it around, you have the full Archimedes Trammel. You can put guards over the top of this. I would not recommend that, because then it's harder to disassemble. You could possibly break the actual thing. But otherwise, this is the Archimedes Trammel. Thank you for watching, and hope you subscribe. You don't have to, because I don't really care. But if you need any tutorials on anything else to build, you can just recommend it in comments or anything.